Hi guys, this is me Paola. Welcome to my vlog. So, ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload. Ay, di pa tapos mag-introduce eh. Okay, never mind. So, my role is innocent and yun lang. If I get die, ano to? Dr. Dog. Mamaya. I need to survive this. The heck? Who's the murder? Wait, let me... Bakit ako yung sinushoot niya? I am not the word, bro. If you get die, I will block you. Charot. Hindi ako nang block, no? Block. Justin. Wait. Nakaupo siya. Let's get out from those. Lubot ako. Is the murd is there? Ano ba? Yung murd ba ay nandiyan? I'm not the murd, guys. Then, why she's shooting me, bro? Who's the murd? Where is the murd? I want the gun. Oh my god. I really want the gun. Pero, yung may hawak ng gun, ako yung sinushoot. Ba't kasi ko? Diyan. Hindi ko nakikita yung murd. Oh my god. That's jump scare me, bro. That's jump scare me. So that's all guys. Bye bye.